Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your SST class. Today we will continue with chapter number 5, and today we will finish it also. Okay, the name of the chapter is the Southern Plateau. As we are studying about the states which lies in the Southern Plateaus, in previous class I had explained you about Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, today two more states are over there which lies in this Southern Plateau region. We will discuss about these two states. These two states are Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. And I will just explain you about Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata also. Okay, so let us start with the state Chhattisgarh. This is the third video of this week, and we will continue with the topic Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, it is a state of India. Here you can see on the map of India. Chhattisgarh lies in central India. Okay, this part you can see. This pink color part is Chhattisgarh. Okay, it lies in central India and its capital is Raipur. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Clear? It is near Odisha. Okay, Chhattisgarh shares its boundary with Odisha. Here this side you can see Madhya Pradesh is there. Downside here you can see Andhra Pradesh is there. Here Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, with all these states, Chhattisgarh shares its boundary. Mahanadi river flows through Chhattisgarh. Okay, which river flows through Chhattisgarh? Mahanadi. Chhattisgarh is famous for Kosa silk. Okay, it is known for Kosa silk. Kosa silk, what is Kosa silk, you will ask? Kosa silk is a special type of Tassar silk. Okay, it is a special type of silk, Tassar silk, which is drawn out of the cocoons grown on the trees like Sal, and Arjun. Okay, these this type of silk is drawn out by the silkworm only, but it is taken out from the cocoons of the tree, cocoons which are grown on the trees like Saga, Sal and Arjun. This preferred pure silk is most grown in Chhattisgarh. Okay, this type of silk is mostly grown in Chhattisgarh. So it is also known for its Kosa silk. The popular folk dance of Chhattisgarh is Raut Nach. Raut Nach, it is the popular folk dance of Chhattisgarh. Here you can see. This dance is dedicated to Lord Krishna. Okay, these dances are mainly done by Yaduvanshis and this is dedicated to Lord Krishna. Next, some more thing about Chhattisgarh. This is the big plant of Bhilai. Okay, big iron and steel plant is over there in Bhilai. This is the steel plant of Bhilai. The main minerals which are found in Chhattisgarh are iron, manganese and coal. Here downside you can see the pictures also. First one is iron. This one is iron. This one is manganese. And here this one is coal. Okay, these are the main minerals found in Chhattisgarh. Main crops, rice is the main crop. of Chhattisgarh. And in spite of rice, linseed, beetle, and watermelon are also grown over there. Our next state is Jharkhand. Jharkhand, which was earlier a part of Bihar. Okay, it was carved out from Bihar. This state is known as the mineral state of India. Jharkhand is known as mineral state of India. Here you can see, this is the picture of Jharkhand. Let me change the color first. Here, this one, this green color part I am showing you. Okay, and this yellow color. This and here you can see, this is the Bihar. This is Bihar. So Jharkhand was carved out from Bihar. Now it is a separate state, and it is known as mineral state of India. Clear? Jharkhand means land of forests. Jharkhand means what? Jharkhand means land of forest. Means a lots of forests are found over there. Okay. Its capital is Ranchi. Okay, here you can see Ranchi. Ranchi is capital of Jharkhand, and as I have told you right now that it is also known as mineral state of India. So main minerals found in this state are coal, iron ore, limestone, copper, and bauxite. Okay, here you can see this one is coal, then iron ore, this one is coal, iron, this one is limestone, here you can see copper, and this one is bauxite. These are the main minerals found in Jharkhand. Main industries are Bokaro Steel Plant and Tata Iron and Steel Company. These are the main industries of Jharkhand. Bokaro Steel Plant and Tata Iron and Steel Company. This is in Jamshedpur. Tata Iron and Steel Company is in Jamshedpur. And the main cities of this state are Jamshedpur, Sindri, Bokaro, Dhanbad, and Hazaribagh. Okay, Hazaribagh is also famous for Hazaribagh National Park. These are the main cities of Jharkhand. Now I will explain you about Jamsetji Nusharwanji Tata. Okay, after his name, the city's name is kept as Jamshedpur and Tata. Okay, who was he? Here you can see, this is the picture of Jamsetji Nusharwanji Tata. He was an Indian pioneer industrialist who founded the Tata Group, India's biggest company. Okay, Tata Group of Industry. He was the founder of Tata Group of Industries. Okay, he founded what would later become the Tata Group of Companies. And Tata is regarded as the legendary father of Indian industry. Okay, this Jamsetji Nusharwanji Tata was regarded as the father of Indian industry. Okay, he was born on 3rd March 1839 in Gujarat. Okay, and he is regarded as father of Indian industry. The company started by Jamsetji Tata is known as Tata Iron and Steel Company. Okay, the name of the company is Tata Iron and Steel Company. Tata is known as Tata Iron and Steel Company, which is at Jamshedpur, and also known as Tata Nagar. Jamshedpur is also known as Tata Nagar, and it is the city in Jharkhand that is named after Jamshedji Nusharwanji Tata. Clear? So this is all about this chapter. I hope you don't have any confusion in this chapter, and if you are facing any problem, you can ask during online classes. Here in keywords, some words are given over there. Plateau, a high flat land. Second one is bidri, fine engraving in brassware. Third, waterfall, a stream of water falling from a height. These keywords you have to learn. Okay. Now in next class we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. Till then, thank you.